Allele refers to two or more alternative forms of a gene that are found in the same place of a chromosome. Alleles can code for a range of characteristics such as hair or eye color in humans. However, these are not Mendelian, meaning that more than one allele affects them. Freckles, on the other hand, is a Mendelian trait and is also the dominant trait to not having freckles. If two parents that both have one allele for freckles and one allele for not having freckles were to have children, what would be the probability that their child does not have freckles, even though both parents in this case will have freckles? To find that out, we can set up a monohybrid cross. In this case, mono means that we are considering only one gene, and hybrid means that both parents are heterozygotes, meaning that they have one of each allele. To set up this monohybrid cross, we draw a 2x2 table called a Punnett square and place the alleles of one parent on top of the table and the other parent's alleles on the left side of the table. We can then fill in the table by filling each square with one letter from each parent, like this. The results will be dominant-dominant, dominant-recessive, dominant-recessive, and recessive-recessive. In other words, the probability of these parents having children with two dominant alleles for freckles is 25%, one dominant allele and one recessive allele for freckles is 50%, and two recessive alleles for freckles is 25%. This is also what we refer to as the resulting genotype. The resulting phenotype, on the other hand, i.e. how the children actually look, is dependent on the fact that freckles is dominant, meaning that having one allele for freckles is enough for the child to have freckles. In other words, if these two parents were to have a child, the chance it would not have freckles would only be 25%, since two recessive alleles is required. Click here to find out how to set up a dihybrid cross, and please check out the sources in the description.